In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Google Sheets to everyone. First off, let's start by opening a Google Sheet. If you're new to Google Sheets, simply navigate to the Sheets website and log into your account. Once logged in, select an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. This is where you'll be making the necessary adjustments to share your document widely. Next, you'll need to locate the Share button. It's conveniently located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, highlighted in blue. Clicking on this button will bring up the Sharing Settings dialog box. Here is where you'll primarily be managing permissions and control over who has access to your document. In the Sharing Settings, you'll notice a section labeled General Access. By default, it's set to Restricted, which means only specific people you invite can view or edit your sheet. To make this document accessible to everyone, you'll want to change this setting to Anyone with the link. To do this, click on the drop-down menu already displaying Restricted. Then choose Anyone with the link from the options. This setting allows anyone who has the link to access your spreadsheet. Now, if you want to share your spreadsheet with a specific person, you can enter their email address into the box provided. Begin by typing in their email, ensuring accuracy as you go. As you type, Google will often suggest addresses based on your contacts to make this step simpler. Once you've entered the correct email, you'll have options about what level of access they should have. Speaking of access levels, you'll notice choices such as Viewer or Editor. If your goal is to allow the person to make changes to the spreadsheet, you should set their access level to Editor. By selecting Editor, you grant them permission to make changes, which is ideal for collaborative projects or if you need feedback. To complete the process, simply hit the Send button. It's located at the bottom right of the sharing window. By clicking this, Google will automatically send an email invitation to the specified recipients, complete with a link to access the spreadsheet. And there you have it. Your sheet is now accessible by everyone you intend it to be. Don't forget, sharing is powerful, but also ensure to monitor and manage access appropriately to preserve the integrity of your data. Knowing who has access and the ability to edit your sheets is crucial to maintaining their reliability. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to give access to Google Sheets to everyone. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. Until next time, happy sharing and have a wonderful day.